Hey there, today I have this sanding set that was sent to me to try out and share with you guys. This is going to be great for someone like me who doesn't do a whole lot of sanding, but when I do, I want options so I don't have to have all this extra stuff at the house. 136 pieces. This is going to be great for polishing things as well as sanding. The grit is even tough enough to handle some light oxidation. These are going to attach easily to your tools, or it comes with a handheld piece as well. Let's take a closer look at it. Okay, so 136 pieces is really nice. You've got plenty to keep you in stock for those little sanding needs for quite a while. All of the pieces are clearly marked with what number grit they are on them, and you'll get multiple pads of each. This is the back side, so on the opposite side you're going to get whatever grit it is, and these just stick either to the electric ones right there, nice and easy. Peel back off if they're still good. You're also going to get this hand one, so it's a nice round, easy grasp, and again all Velcro, so you can do all your sanding and polishing. You can get multiple connectors depending on if you are hooking these up to pneumatic or electric tools, so multiple ways to do that. Then you put whatever pad on that you need and ready to go. Speaking of pads, you're also going to get these sponge pads, multiple kinds again of those for sanding and polishing. If you're looking for something that has a set with a little bit of everything in it, plenty of options from sanding wood to metal to polishing headlights, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this kit is a good kit for you.